Hello, good day everyone. This is Ron Nolasco from International Trade Council. Thank you for attending today's educational session. Before we start, I would like to do a quick audio check. For those attendees right now, can you please type in yes in the chat box if you can hear me or if you can hear the audio clear? Also, if you can see the PowerPoint presentation. Can you guys hear the audio? Anyone from the group? Okay, hi. Yes, thank you. Okay, perfect. Now, before we start, I just want to inform you that this webinar is recorded and we will have this uploaded to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to review or play the recording, you can also log into AirMeet and do the replay. Now, for today's educational session, our topic is major challenges in the manufacturing industry. This webinar is about how to become a successful manufacturer and what are the obstacles you will have to conquer. What are the major challenges you will face as well. So our speaker for today is Yung King Tech, Managing Director of Magic Touch Surface Chemical. And before I before I before we start, I just want to inform you that we have a Q&A later after the presentation. So if you have any questions, please feel free to type in your questions on the chat box, or you can also type in your questions here in the Q&A tab of this platform. So go ahead, Mr. Tech, you can start the presentation.
Hello, hello everybody. Have a nice day. I'm Mr. Yung. I'm from Malaysia. I'm the managing director of this Magitas Surface Chemicals Sdn Bhd. I have more than 30 over years experience in doing this manufacturing works. Okay, my company is mainly producing these shoe care products and the car care products. So my I have another subsidiary company is this La Puriza Sdn Bhd. This company is producing the personal care products and the home care products. So at the beginning, I'm just starting producing the shoe care products. Then later on, I develop into car care products, and then I develop into the personal care and the home care products. So I'm just going to share some of my this experience with you about the some of the challenges we are facing in our manufacturing works. First of all, when you are going to start this business, most important thing is, of course, you have to get the license from the manufacturing license from the local authority, from the governments, the this environmentally license, the many license you have to get it first, and then once you have this license, you have your factory set up. The first thing you have to do is to have your trademark registration. Okay, the first step before you are going to launch the product, you must have to think of the good name for your products. This name must be unique, must be the words that is created by you. It's not a common words. And then you have to, if possible, you have to design a logo as your trademark, and then you have to send for registration. So this trademark will becomes the brand of your product. So your customer will recognize your product by looking at this trademark. So this is very, very important. And then to set up my this manufacturing, I first of all already have my trademark registered. So this trademark, I have the graphic designer. I asked the graphic designer to design for me. And then this trademark, of course, this trademark will reflect some of the properties of my products. And then this trademark were easy to memorize and can give a good impressions to the customers. Okay. So and then in order to have a good impressions, this trademark must be easy to pronounce. The words must be simple. So these are the some of the main important things. And then regarding my trademarks, I have my trademark registered in Malaysia and China because I have my products marketing in China as well. So I'm using the frog as my trademark. This frog, why I'm using this frog? Because I'm thinking my product is a green product, is a environmentally friendly product. That's why I use the frog as this logo. So I specially designed a very funny frog to be my trademark. Okay. And then here you can see my trademark registration certificate. So once you have your trademark registered, they will give you a certificate, and this certificate in Malaysia they can last for 10 years. After 10 years, you have to renew it. Okay. And then my trademark for this personal care product is called Purisa Nature. The same thing, this trademark, as you can see, it, it gives an impression that this product is very gentle and is a very mild product. And it gives the customer this impression that this product will be pure and natural. So I'm also using this Purisa Nature as because I feel that this is very unique, this name. And so this is my another business. Okay. First of all, when we talk about this manufacturing, you have to think of the demand of your products. Or once you have the demands, only you can come up with your manufacturing words. A product, so it's very important. Now, first of all, you have to forecast how is your customer demands. So sometimes we can use the software like this sales management system to estimate how many items they are going to purchase in the next few months or perhaps in the following years. So this software system can help you to analyze the consumers this purchasing behavior. So which products they are interested, they are intend to purchase in the coming months, and then how many products they are going to buy. So by using this, we also have to use another software. I am using another software is this inventory management system. To this system is to identify how is the product moving, how fast is it, and then we can analyze which one is the slow moving product. Besides this, we also have to consider certain these external events that will influence the demand of your products. For example, the currency exchange rate, the fuel prices, current market trends, your delivery costs, and many others. So, and then to beside this, you also have to consider how to create a good demands for your product. So later on, I'm going to discuss with you how to create the demands. So to have a good demands, your product must be these are unique properties. Okay, let's consider about how are you going to control your inventory. Controlling your inventory in your manufacturing works will help you to save your cost, your manufacturing cost. So this is very important, and then can save your this factory space. Your factory space, if you can save your factory space, that means you can also save your cost. So these are inventory management. I have my own inventory management, my own system. So we have to make sure we always have to make sure that we have enough of goods to meet the customers' demand. So to do this, first of all, we can minimize the numbers of items in your inventory list. How to minimize this? Okay, for instance, you can use the same bottle design for just like this bottle design. I'm using this bottle design, this design. Okay, the same bottle design. I'm just changing the labels. By changing the labels, that means this is for Carvest. To change another car polish, we can use another the same bottle design. So we don't need to have many bottles in our stock. So we can simply change the labels and then we can have many products. This is the first way to have standardize our standardize our bottle shapes to pack many different products. And then beside this, also using this unprinted. This carton box is unprinted. Unprinted carton box. We don't print anything here. So when we come to supply the goods to customer, we can use our printer to print on the sticker. So then we can place the sticker on the carton box. By doing this, we don't need to carry stock for many carton box, many different products, many different carton box. So this is another method to save your this to control your inventory, to save your cost. And then when I'm going to produce this shoe polish many years ago, that was more than 30 years ago. My first product is the shoe polish. So when I'm going to produce this shoe polish, I face a very big problem because I went to visit my supplier. This supplier is a metal container supplier. They supply this metal container to Kiwi Shoe Polish. Kiwi. Kiwi is the biggest shoe polish producer in Malaysia. They have a factory. 30 over years ago, they have a factory in Malaysia. But then they shifted their factory to Indonesia. So when they have a factory in Malaysia, they get the metal containers from Malaysia supplier also. So I also went to the same supplier. I have a meeting with this sales manager that day. But I was very surprised. The sales manager advised me not to produce the shoe polish. He said that since Kiwi is very strong, It's very big in the market. It's very famous. So he advised me not to produce this product. He said, you cannot win, cannot fight with kiwi, you cannot win. And then he said he cannot supply the container to me because once kiwi know he is supplying this container to me, kiwi will stop to order from them. So due to this reason, they refuse to supply the metal cans to me. In this way, I failed to get the metal cans. So I was very headache, during that time. I don't know what to do. Then I suddenly got one idea is I don't use the metal container. I changed to use the engineering plastic, a different type of plastic, a plastic that can have the chemical resistant plastic. So I changed to that material, use the plastic. Okay. To use this plastic now container, I feel that I got one very good advantage. I got a very big benefit by using this plastic container because using this plastic container, I can have this what we call the aluminum foil to seals on top of the plastic containers. Okay, so this aluminum foil, as you can see, okay, this aluminum foil is seals on the plastic container. Can you see it? Yeah. So when you open up, just a minute. See? See? We have aluminum foil. So this aluminum foil to seals on top of the containers can maintain the solvent, the percentage of solvent in the shoe polish paste. So the solvent will not be evaporate. Even though you keep this you store during prolonged storage for more, maybe 3 years, the same thing, the shoe polish will not shrink, will not become smaller, will not dry up. It will be the same. It's not like you using like these other product. They are using the metal containers. Their shoe polish will shrink, then they will dry up because on the middle of the cover, the metal cover, they have a very tiny hole. Has a very tiny hole. This tiny hole is when you press the cover, the air inside the container can escape. So they must have a very tiny this hole on top of the metal this cover. But this also offer very bad, very this big disadvantage to the polish because the polish will dry up. So this is my first success in my this manufacturing. The problem I face, I have to overcome the problems. I have to solve it. Okay, there are many. This I just give a simple example of the problems that I face. But of course, there are many other these problems as well. Okay, as you can see in these pictures, the polish already dried up in the metal containers. So we have this advantage. Okay, and then to just now, as I say, to have a demand for your products. Okay, in order to get a good demand for your products, you must know what is your product strength. How good is your product? You must understand Your products must be unique, must have a unique performance, must have something extra benefit to your customers. So this is very important because if your product cannot offer extra benefits or cannot have better performance to your customer, they will continue to buy the benchmark products. They don't buy your products. They don't try your products. It's very hard to ask them to change their this purchasing behavior to change your product. No. So very important. You must have a very good product strength. Okay, my this idea to have a good product strength, you have something benefits for your customer. Your packaging must be outstanding, must look attractive to your customers, and then of course, your products are when it comes to use, it must be user friendly, easy to use, uh, and then easy to get the desired result, to get the result that you want. Okay. Then a few example. I'm going to share some of my few example of my products which can offer good product strengths to you. The first one is I'm going to share with you is my Ecolast, the waterless car wash. My waterless car wash, now I can produce high concentrated waterless car wash. High concentrated, that means it can have 10 times concentration. That means you can, once you buy it, you can dilute with 10 times of water. So in this case, you buy my product, you will save the cost. You can dilute with a lot of water, 10 times of water. Okay. And then why my product is different? So because this product, when you wash your car, that means you also wash your car in one step. That means it's a one-step wash and wash product. And then this product, we have protecting agents to protect the paint surface. So when you have a protecting agent to protect the paint surface, to make the surface smooth. So the dirt particles, they will roll. They will follow the water to roll away. They will not scratch your paint. So this is very important. So this unique performance in my this waterless car wash. And then I'm using the surfactant. Surfactant that I use is from plant based. There's no harsh chemicals, and I'm not using any petroleum distillate. So it's very safe to the car, the paint surface. So this is my product strength. So with this strength, I can easily promote my product in the market. I can fight with other products. So very important when it comes to manufacturing, you must think of a very good product strength. Okay, then this waterless car wash, my waterless car wash is easy to use. You just spray, you use a wet towel to buy it, and then you clean the dirty wet towel, and the next step, you use a dry towel, a dry microfiber towel to buff up. Then you can see the shining, very good shine. So easy to use. And then the performance, okay. These are the gauze would last for at least 2 months, 3 months. Can last durable gauze, can last very long. So this is our main advantage. And now I'm using this. Now we can have this mobile car wash. We can encourage the car wash worker to do the mobile car wash. They can do the car wash at your doorstep. They can go to your house to wash your car. So you don't need to send your cars to this car wash center. They can come with a motorbike because these are now I have this sprayer. This sprayer, they can spray the water without using any compressor. See, you see, they can spray without using any compressor. You can spray this car wash on the paint surface, and then you find it very simple, very easy, save time. And then this method to wash the car in this method, you can save a lot of water. You save a lot of water, then you don't need to have a very big space. If you see, just imagine if you are using the tunnel car wash, these are auto car wash, they are using the big brush. They want very big brush. They want the tunnel car wash. They have to invest a lot of money. First thing, then second thing, they need a very big area, big space to operate. But for this one, you don't need you don't need to invest a lot of money. Maybe just $1,000 or $2,000 you can start your business. So this is the main advantage of my products. That's why this product can penetrate into the market very easily. Okay. Okay. Now, the main advantage of this product also is it will save water. You don't need to use much water to wash a car. Save water because now water is very precious. We cannot waste the water. And then in certain countries the after wash the dirty waters, they cannot allow the dirty water to flow into the drains. They have to the cover center, they have to correct back the dirty waters to filter up the waters and recycle it and use it again. Because this is about the environmental issues. The government don't allow you to let the dirty water to flow into the drain. So, but in my case, you don't have this problem. So, they save a lot of water. It's an environmentally friendly product. So now, talking about my Ecolast, the Carves. Ecolast Carves also have many product strengths. We have because when we are going to launch a new product, we always have this test to do many tests with other products. We do a comparison test to see how is our competitors' products performance. We must understand. We do the test and then we check how's the performance of other competitors, and then we know. Then from there we improve our products. Okay, for my Ecolast covers, first thing is must be easy to apply. Very easy to apply. You can apply easy to spray on the car surface, and then it can clean very effectively. It can clean up, can remove the dirt easily. Then can seal off the hairline cracks. Certain very minor cracks they can seal up. So after this, when you apply, you bath. You use a dry towel to bath it. Then you can get a very high gloss. So this is very easy to use. You don't need to apply very hard force to bath it. So this is a very good advantage in using my product. And then the result given is very good water repellent, and the science is durable, can last for many months, 2 3 months. So and then my products have these UV protections. Even though your car is parking under the hot sun, we have the UV protections to protect your car paint. And then most important thing is no smearing appearance after use. You see the surface is a deep gloss surface, no smearing. And then it will not scratch your paint surface. So we have tested this product, and then all the ingredients that I use, the active ingredients used, are natural base. And we have these some these are preventing some these are lubricants to prevent the scratch. So this is our this main advantage. We have this product strength, and then we are using the vest from Brazil, the Canama vest, and then we are using certain these synthetic polymers to protect the paints. So this is very good product. And then talking about my this personal care products, my personal care product is manufacturing in my another factory, because these personal care products are to manufacture the personal care product cannot be in the same factory with my car care products. This personal care product they have this regulation. We must be the GMP status factory. So we are producing this product in another factory. So these are our place Purisan Nature Balm. This product also we have our very unique performance. So because of the time is running short, I'm not going to discuss very details about the performance of this product. Anyway, if any of you is interested with this, I can share my this presentation to you by email. After this, you can email to me, ask me for this presentation. I can send it to you. Okay. First of all, I just very brief. I just give a brief informations about this product. This product, of course, we are using the natural products, organic ingredients, and then we are even the these preservatives is a natural preservatives we are using, and then we normally we don't use any colorants. The perfumes that we use, perfume fragrance, also natural fragrance. So this is very safe to skins, and then can offer very good this care to your skin. Okay, and then you can see why I have to start this business. This is a personal care business because this is my mother. As you can see the pictures, the two pictures, this is my mother's legs. Her legs is, you can see the radius skin and brown patches. This is because my mother suffer from this by diabetes. Her diabetes already more than, I think it's more than 30 years diabetes. And then the skins, the leg skins becomes reddish and brown patches. So by applying my this Purisan Nature Balm, the skin, you can see the second after using, the skin after use for 2 weeks, the skin is not so ready, it becomes better. So my this product has this unique performance, very good performance. This is from my mother's late. I can prove it to you. Because of this, because I have tried many times to buy these skincare products from the drugstore, from the pharmacy, but I can't get one product, the skincare product that can solve my mother's legs problems. So eventually, I have to develop this product by myself. I'm thinking I have to develop this product, and I come up with this product. So this is a very good example. My product strength, and then I have the shower cream. Shower cream. This shower cream is different from other showers product that you buy from the market. This shower cream, first of all, we have to maintain the pH value at 5.5, and then they can have. I've used quite a numbers of oils inside the shower cream. The argan oil, these certain oils, these argan oil, organic. These are coconut, virgin coconut oils, organic omega 3s, and the tea tree oils to moisturizing your skin. So these are when you use this product, you don't feel you can see a lot of these foam, less foam. But after use, you will feel your skin already. That means you already apply the lotions to the whole bodies, to your whole the skin of your whole body. See, that means this give a very extra advantage to you. It's not to clean the dirt on your body. It can offer the lotions to your body. And then, of course, the preservatives used is a natural preservatives. So this is very good, a very unique product in the market, and you hardly find this type of product in the market. So we are thinking to manufacturing certain uncommon product, very special product. Okay. Okay, talking about the now, we have to discuss about the manufacturing process. To this manufacturing the products, we have to think about the how to lower our cost, and then how to boost our productivities in our operations. So, but we cannot simply reduce our products quality in order to save the product cost. We cannot reduce our product quality. Quality is very important. So in our manufacturing process, we have our this we will impose our SOP, standard operating procedure. So my workers, they have to follow this standard operating procedure in manufacturing our product. So in every stage, we have we have to monitor the workers. They have to follow this very strict. They must follow our SOP. For example, the in our formulation, they cannot, I mean, they cannot wait the wrong, give the wrong these formulations. They have to follow our formulations. They have to follow the amount, the quantity of raw material used. They have to follow, and then we will keep a samples of these products as our from every batch. We will keep a samples. So if there's anything happen, we can have a reference. Then we have to print the batch number in the every batch of our products. Okay, so this is our manufacturing process, very important. Now, to do this manufacturing, if you are newcomers to involved in the manufacturing, you have to face many problems. You will have these many things you don't understand. You may have this technology, this formulations problems. So now I have an idea. My idea is together we can thrive. That means we can work together. We can thrive to have a better. This I can help you in manufacturing. So to do this, first we are going to say is we are thinking to have. I'm thinking to have this eco-friendly car wash. Eco-friendly car wash. Then we can have a new product for this car wash. We have to think of to save our this environment. In this way, I hope that we if if we can work together, that means we can enlarge our market. Enlarge our markets, then we can have more customers. More customers, they will be happy to use our product. Then we can do the marketing. We can distribute the products to many countries. So because this market is very big, so I'm thinking to work together. If you are interested, we can work together with you to develop this product to help you in your manufacturing work. So our missions is to help entrepreneurs to actualize their dreams, launching and sustaining a successful manufacturing business. I'm helping you to success in your business. So my visions, because my visions is to have a natural green products we have to offer to our customers, and then together we build a harmony and thriving world. So this is my idea. I hope that if any one of you is interested, you can contact me after this, and then we can discuss. We can work together to set up a manufacturing work. So basically, this is about my this speech today. So, is there any questions?
Yes, we have some questions in the chat box. I will project the first question here.
I cannot. I'm sorry. I cannot see my chat
There you
box.
go. You
Huh?
can. It's on the screen.
On the screen. Wait. Let me see. I can't see the. Wait. How to see the chat box?
No, it's on the screen right now on the PowerPoint.
Oh,
It's on the
on the
stage.
PowerPoint on the same page. Kindly also throw lights on the mainframe challenges with the machine system. Is facing like sourcing the raw materials, trade barriers, rising cost of labor, like that. This you means the questions from this Kalachi, is it from this one? Kalachi, is it? Mr. Rong?
Yes, that's the
Okay.
question.
Okay. If you are talking about this to facing like sourcing the raw material, for my products my sourcings of raw material, I can tell you the truth. Most of my raw material, the vest is from Brazil. The other vest, the natural vests are from Europe, and then I have some special chemicals from USA, and it's no problem in Malaysia. I have no problem in sourcing this product, the raw material. So I don't know in Pakistan. I have no idea. I have no idea at all. I don't know how is the Pakistan to sourcing the raw material. I think shouldn't have any problem. If you are working together with me, if you are working together, set up a factory with me, you have this problem, I can help you. I can source the product from Malaysia and then I can ship it to you. Is
All
that,
right.
yeah?
There's another question here.
Yeah, okay. Romania, what about the price of washing with compared with the normal wash with? Okay, my price okay, let me think the price to wash a car in Malaysia, to wash a car in Malaysia is wait, let me calculate. The cost, I'm talking about the cost to wash a saloon car, a standard saloon car is about 1. Is about 1.5. Let me see okay, it's about 31 US dollar, 31 cents US dollar, USD 31 cents. So it's very cheap. Just about one in Malaysia ringgit is about one ringgit plus.
Okay.
I give you the idea. It's about 31 cent US dollar to wash a car.
All right.
Yeah.
If you have any other question, just please feel free to type in your
Yeah.
questions.
Any questions? I have my this. Wait, let me see. I give you my this. Yeah, this is my email address, my mobile numbers, my email address. You can always contact me.
Do you mind to type in your email address on the chat box, Mr. Tech, so they can copy paste it?
Okay. We
And and
type.
while our speakers typing in his contact
Mm.
details in the chat box, I just want to remind you that this webinar is recording and we will upload it to our YouTube channel. And if you would
Yeah.
like to replay it here, you can also do it in AirMeet. For
Mm.
those participants right now who are not yet a member of International Trade Council, please feel free to reach out to us because we will be giving out free membership for attending this educational session. Lastly, you will receive a certificate of participation in the next days. Though please be patient on waiting for the certificate of participation as we are currently on hands on about the Go Global Awards event. But rest assured that we will be sending you the certificate of presentation participation. Yes, we can send a copy of the presentation. Mr. Tech will be sending you the email address here, and then you can request for a copy of the presentation. You can either email him or you can email me as well.
Yeah.
So
So
there are still some questions here, so
yeah. Okay.
I'll throw it on the
Okay.
stage.
Okay. Okay. Good. If we are if we are keeping price conscious customer into considerations, how shall be our approach to do the marketing of the product? Is it friendly for the price conscious? Yeah, of course. These are for those customers, they are very sensitive about the price. This definitely is because Mr. This India, okay, from India. Okay, if you are those conscious customer because they want to have they are sensitive about the price, okay, we can have because we if we are going to work together in your country to set up the factory in your country, to have a manufacturing work in your country, we can reduce the cost very much. You can do your packaging. You can do producing your bottles, your packaging in India. Then we can help you to, we can guide you. We can tell you the formulation, how to produce this. Then you source the raw material. If you can do this, definitely you can fight with many others. Your price will be definitely very low because you have the packaging material from local supplier. You can have the raw material. I can help you to get the raw material, and then what else? Okay, the machinery. I will tell you what are the machinery you have to use, how to emulsify the products, everything. I will transfer the technology to you, help you to set up this manufacturing factory. Okay, is that answer your questions?
All right. So
Yeah.
thank you. Any other questions? All right. I don't see any other questions
Mm.
here. But while we are waiting, please feel free to use few minutes of your time to discuss more. If you would like to present more information to the audience, please feel free to do so.
I'm very grateful to have this opportunity to discuss with all the audience about my this experience in the manufacturing world. So basically, I'm just talking about my this manufacturing about my products, my expertise. So in fact, manufacturing words are involved with many. For example, you can have a factory manufacturing the plastic bottles, the plastic materials you manufacturing. That is another business, another issues. But maybe that one you don't need to have a trademarks or what because you are producing the bottles for many others company. But in my case, since we are producing these chemical products, surface care products, okay, we have our technology. With this technology, we have our formulations. This formulation is very hard for others to copy. They don't know. It's very hard for others to duplicate. They don't know how to do. So we have just like this. For example, I have to explain. For example, just like this Kentucky Fried Chicken. The Kentucky Fried Chicken, they have their secret recipe. How they produce the flour, they have their secret. For my this formulation, I also have my secret in my formulation. So this secret will give you the advantage because this with this your this technology will help you becomes your product strength, will help you in marketing your product. So this is my idea I'm going to share with the audience today. Yeah,
All right.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for this very informative presentation, Mr. Yong. So,
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
you're welcome. On
Yeah.
behalf of International Trade Council, we would like to thank you for hosting this educational session, and we look forward us having more session with you in the future. And
Sure.
again, also to the audience, thank you for attending today's educational session. We look forward to see you again in other topics of panels and keynote from our speakers. So thank you for your time, and you all have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye bye.